One of the biggest myths in content creation is that you need massive success or dramatic stories to inspire people. But the truth is, the most powerful stories often come from everyday experiences. A conversation, a mistake, a small win, a quiet moment of reflection, these are the seeds of great content. Because what people connect with most isn't the extraordinary, it's the relatable. Your audience doesn't need another perfect success story. They need to see someone who looks like them, living life, learning, and growing in real time. That's where your real power lies. So how do you turn everyday experiences into shareable lessons? Step 1. Pay attention to the small moments. Every day gives you raw material for your message. The key is awareness. The more you pay attention, the more meaning you'll find in ordinary things. Maybe you noticed a moment of kindness at a coffee shop. Maybe a small failure taught you patience. Maybe a conversation with a friend revealed something about courage or fear. These small stories carry big insights if you're willing to see them. The best creators are observers. They turn real life into metaphors. They see stories in moments most people overlook. Step 2. Find the lesson hidden in the moment. After something happens, ask yourself, what does this experience teach? What's the takeaway that others can learn from this? For example, if you missed a deadline, maybe the lesson is about self-compassion or time management. If you helped someone who was struggling, maybe the lesson is about empathy or perspective. You're not sharing random moments, you're sharing meaning. That's what turns a story into something valuable. Step 3. Use the Experience Lesson Action Framework. This is one of the simplest ways to make your stories shareable. 1. Experience. Start with the story. What happened? Set the scene and bring your audience into the moment. 2. Lesson. Share the insight you gained from that experience. What did it teach you? 3. Action. End with a call to reflection or action. Invite your audience to apply the lesson to their own life. This structure turns your story from something that happened to me into something that can help you. Step 4. Be honest and human. You don't need to dramatize or exaggerate your story. People connect with authenticity, not perfection. If something was hard, say it. If it made you laugh, share that too. Emotion makes stories memorable, and vulnerability makes them powerful. And remember, relatability doesn't mean being average. It means being real. Step 5. Make it visual and simple. When you share your story, paint a picture your audience can see. Use sensory details, what you saw, heard, or felt. But keep it concise. Every sentence should move the story forward. People should be able to imagine themselves in your shoes within seconds. That's how everyday experiences become universal lessons. Here's the best part. You don't need to wait for big wins to create content. Your life is the content. The moments between the milestones are where the most relatable lessons live. So next time something small happens, good or bad, pause. Ask yourself, what could this teach someone else? Because chances are, if it resonated with you, it'll resonate with someone else too. Great storytelling isn't about having the most interesting life. It's about finding meaning in the life you already have and sharing it with honesty and purpose. When you turn everyday moments into lessons, you give your audience something priceless: perspective. And that's what turns ordinary stories into extraordinary impact. So keep watching your world closely, because your next great story isn't waiting for a big event. It's happening right in front of you, right now.